Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by claiming the high-value cliff positions. Place a tack shooter where it can hit clustered balloons often, because early rapid-fire controls lead to safe economy. Buy a dart monkey for cheap popping power and upgrade it to 2-0-2 as soon as you can afford it. This balances cost and power. Once you have basic defenses, decide. Save for a banana farm if rounds are calm, or prioritize a monkey village to unlock key upgrades. Do not delay this choice. Once your economy and base are set, push the tack shooter to its top pile tier to handle massive waves. If funds permit, add a super monkey or a bomb shooter for Moab-class threats, because layered damage prevents leaks. Make a monkey village that grants range and combo detection. Upgrade it toward 2-3-0 for crucial support. Meanwhile, build 2 banana farms early. Funnel passive income into those heavy-hitting upgrades so you can afford late-game power spikes without panic. Finish by converting income into maximum single target and splash damage so you can handle the toughest rounds. You want at least one tower specialized to shred high-health ceramics and Moab-class balloons. Use abilities deliberately, activate when large waves enter range, and maintain a cash buffer equal to one major ability or purchase. If you see leaks, stop and diagnose. Add a bomb or glue near the weak path, reposition your tack for better coverage, and then resume pushing upgrades. This fixes most failure modes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.